the heck are y'all laughing for? I'm so stupid.
I threw something at your hair.
Oh my god!
Okay.
Wait, no, not like that, Liza. That's too much.
Throw on his head.
No, don't. Not on his head. I didn't do it. I didn't do it.
I know, just put down the just put it down.
No, please don't hug me. No, it's already there.
Okay, just put it down. Just put it down. Put it down.
Please don't hurt me. It wasn't me.
Put it down. Just put it down.
It wasn't me. It wasn't me. It wasn't me. No! Stop that again! Not again! Oh no! Stop! This is all we should have.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's why I'm telling you.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Damn, nobody said the water.
Can I have that, please? But wait, where's my towel? Can you wash my bag? It's all enough.
Throw it in the dryer.
Sorry.
Oh, wait, stop.
I'm stupid. Let me see.
Wait, stop.